What is RIWA? Reusing plus waste. The waste comes from what is produced in the building. The closed-loop concept derives from the fact that the operation of the building is based on a cycle of production and reuse of waste. In fact, RIWA produces the ingredients that are used. They come from vertical farming or community garden in the rooftop. Vertical farming is a block that intersects the entire building. It is the heart of the RIWA. Here only experts have access, but you can see the crops from every floor thanks to the presence of large windows. How does vertical farming work, and why did we decide to use this technique? Vertical farms represent the real sustainable revolution in urban agriculture for food production. These systems are implemented in order to maximize crops while minimizing soil occupation, thus having an important look towards the uncertain future. The sum of the environmental problems and the lack of the resources that in the future will not be able to guarantee enough food for all individuals have led us every day to seek solutions. Also, RIWA wants to propose a solution in its small way. RIWA tries to be as sustainable as possible and wants to propose zero-kilometer products. In our kitchen, we try to use as much as possible products that we grown in the building, the same products that our customers can buy at the market located on the first floor. The benefits of growing technology vertically are countless. But how are the plants grown in vertical farm? There are three different methods of cultivation: aeroponic, hydroponic, and aquaponic. Inside RIWA, the cultivation system is the aeroponic type. The aeroponic method is based on the cultivation of plants without any use of land. These grow and are fed, starting from the roots thanks to a system based on the atomization of water and mineral nutrients. Low-energy LEDs are also used for the supply of light, essential for the photosynthesis process. RIWA doesn't only think about itself, but it wants to help the neighborhood too. How? Thanks to the community garden located in the rooftop. The community garden provides food and gives satisfaction to those who participate in it, promoting an improvement of the neighborhood and a sense of community and connection with the environment that today we find increasingly rarely in our society. Having decided to place the urban garden in the rooftop of the building, and since there is no land here, we thought that the best proposal in terms of design solution was to use the one on the raised beds as the type of cultivation. Raised bed cultivation is a very simple way of growing without digging. The soil on the surface of the raised beds is deep, rich, and can support a high density of plants, which can therefore be grown at short distances from each other, less than is usually observed. This makes the raised bed very productive and above all very sustainable for growing polycultures. The raised beds have variable dimension in plan because they follow the grid of the building, but have a constant height of 80 centimeters and depth between 60 and 120 centimeters. The plant needs its own living space to develop at its best, which is the RIWA has carefully selected the different species to grow. In London, as the sun is not guaranteed all year long, RIWA only grows celery, basil, cutting beets and chard, tomatoes, salad, pomegranate, pears, apple, and strawberries. In the rooftop, there is a bar which can be accessed by anyone, so you can spend a sunny afternoon on the terrace surrounded by crops, sipping a smoothie made with the fruit from our trees, or relax with friends at cocktail hour enjoying a view of London.